Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered if you can install a WordPress plugin without ever logging into the dashboard? In this video, I will show you exactly how to install any WordPress plugin by API, a powerful trick every developer should know. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel. uh, in this video I give my lots of time and energy. This like and subscribe encourage me. So now let's get started. So first we understand why install plugin via API. So if you are developer, you know how this install via GUI is, and yeah, it is easy for one plugin. But if we talk for multiple plugin, then it takes some time. So yeah, install plugin via API. We can discuss these things: install and activate plugin programmatically, automate deployment workflow, and manage multiple WordPress site remotely, not only one site. If I install via GUI, then only one site. But if we manage via API, then we can manage multiple site at a time. Integration plugin installation into CI/CD pipeline. So this approach is useful when building custom dashboard, hosting platform, or WordPress management tool. And for this requirement, we should have WordPress 5.0 plus REST API enabled and authentication setup. So step 1, enable application password. So go at here in the users, and at here currently application password is not showing because I am not on HTTPS. So if you are on HTTPS, it directly, or on live, and then it will directly show at there. So for enable, if this is development site, you can set environment type accordingly. So at here I will check out. So it is saying define environment type. So for that, I already have one filter: WP is application password available, so return true. So via that, it always available for me. So just add this code inside function.php, and then now you can check. You can also remove older. Now add some name like plugin demo, add new password. Now copy, and remove password, remove some space from here, and then okay, now ready. It is first step done, and now go to second step. Find the plugin you want to install. Like I want used SEO. So go to I want used SEO. So you can get slug from here. Okay, then at here you can check REST API to install plugin. So at here you can see in the developer WordPress org, and at here they provided retrieve a plugin, so via WP version 2 plugin. So I will use this with my site, and we can do this via curl. We can also use via Postman, but both are good, and I am using via curl. So this is my application password, so I will update it here, and this is my username, as here username and application password. Now I will run, and at here I pass status active, and then I am not inside WP admin etc. Just I run curl, and in some time it is saying that Yoast is active and done. So now you can also check it here in the plugins, and it is activated. Okay, now at here I only pass slug, and at here activate. You can also pass both via dynamically, like I pass with -d and slash, and again -d. If you know via backward slash, you can you can run with new line, and -d is here, so you can pass multiple thing, like -d anything else if you want. And you can also check documentation at here, like slug inactive, active, by default it is inactive, and context plugin. And you can also do delete, update or other thing via this setup. Okay, now automate it with PHP or Node. Like we already see how install with curl, like via API. Now we can automate with PHP. So like when multiple plugin installation, like 10 plugin, 20 plugin installation at a theme installation time. So new site deployment, onboard automation, plugin management across network. So it is very awesome thing for setup. And common use cases: bulk plugin installation, CI/CD integration, automate site setup, and custom admin dashboard and hosting provider. And now I think you know how. Now you have seen how easily you can install plugin using the WordPress API, imaging automatically your entire setup this way. Please like, subscribe and drop a comment telling me which plugin you will try this API method on first. Thanks for watching.